Today I'm showing you how to make the famous Ugandan Rolex, popular street food in Uganda. Soft golden chapati, golden eggs and fresh vegetable all rolled together. Let me get started from scratch. I already finished kneading my dough. Now I start by dividing my dough into small balls. This makes it easy to roll each evenly. Move from here. I sprinkle flour on the surface. I roll each ball flat. I brush some oil. I sprinkle flour on the top. Then I fold it to make another ball. This helps to create soft and layered chapatis. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. Kindly like the video, share and subscribe for more authentic recipes from my kitchen to your kitchen. I roll out my second chapati. I brush some oil on top. Then I fold it just to make good layers and soft chapati. Now I roll out each one flat. I fry one chapati dry without oil. Then I press another one on top and keep turning until they are cooked evenly. After that, I add some oil and fry until they turn golden brown. This will be my chapatis for the Rolex. Here I have my ingredients: 5 eggs, 1 onion, tomatoes, cabbage, already it is cut, then Prestige margarine for frying my first Rolex. These are my chapatis I'm going to use. They are soft and layered. For the first Rolex, I break 3 eggs. I cut in onions. Then I cut in tomatoes into small pieces. Now I add in cabbage. I sprinkle in some salt for the taste. Then I whisk with cake to combine very well. I add in natural chili powder for the heat. I melt Prestige margarine in a frying pan. I pour in the mixture. Then I fry both sides until they are golden. I turn to another side. Look how golden it is. Now it's ready. It's time to remove it from the pan. Then I fold it nicely. That's our first Rolex. For the second one, I use 2 eggs. I add in cabbage. I cut in onions. Then I whisk very well to combine. This time I fry using cooking oil. I heat oil on a pan. I pour in my mixture and fry until golden brown. I turn it to another side. When it's almost ready, I add my chapati on top and fry a little bit before I remove it from the fire. Now it's ready, it's time to remove it from the fire. I add fresh tomato and onion slices on top. I sprinkle some salt and fold it well. And here we have it, two delicious Ugandan Rolex, simple, tasty and perfect for breakfast or a cooking meal. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, kindly like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one on Sunday, 5:30 p.m. East African time.